Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel of baby trading. Last week, if I'm being honest, I've been thinking a lot because there's lots of changes in the world that had happened, and we all can see that market is changing. All the markets in all fields, and it's just getting crazy now and unpredictable. And I know some of you, or maybe some of them, can trade in these unpredictable times, for the short terms, gain some profits and so on. But you need to be a real pro or just real lucky. But if we say about, long-term profitable strategies, as we were actually concerned before, that's not the best time to trade. And I really love what I do. I really love to give you some strategies and educational info about the binary options trading and stuff. So I just decided to add some resources where we can trade. It's not going to be only about the binary options. It's going to be about the forex trading and cryptocurrencies. In my opinion now, like my decision now, what I've decided for these days, that I still want to give you some educational videos about the binary options and also add some forex trading strategies. And maybe I'll even give you some, news, maybe on the weekly basis, about cryptocurrency markets, about all changes, about the strategies that it's going to be profitable, or just about my opinion about the market. Because I'm actually not only in binary options trading, because I told you, maybe if you saw it in my very first video, I'm all in trading into cryptocurrencies and stuff. So I just decided I can give you a bit more. Today, in this video, I'm just going to give you just a little shortcut about some cryptocurrency news that actually made me to change my opinion, to change my channel a bit, just a little bit. And I hope it's going to be still informative and we're going to stay together. So we go. So we're going to start with the main cryptocurrency. And as you all know, last week, the Bitcoin was trading at the level of like $41,000. And then just in one day, dramatically and drastically, it went down. And it was, some may say, unexpected. But anyway, it just reached, the psychologically important level of $40,000. And some may say also it's due to the politics, markets, instability, but I would say that you should be attentive to the high volatility because of the expiration of the futures and options. You should be attentive of what's going on. And what we may say about the second biggest cryptocurrency is Ether. It was trading around $2,800, and it actually gained roughly 2%. And what about other cryptocurrencies? It also was, in a green period, so it was raising, and most of them significantly raising, but I would recommend in this situation of high volatility to stop trading because, we are here for some long-term profitable strategies, and my personal, my humble opinion is to be really careful. Sometimes too careful, but this is it. And so I must say that despite that the Bitcoin was just a little bit down, the cryptocurrency assets was actually in value this week. So we may say about the NFT also that it's actually showed an improvement from last week. And at the time of checking, it was roughly just like about 18%. And about the different cryptocurrencies, the AVAX also just cemented itself in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. The Rune was also trading and the level was like 15% higher, but all rewards on this week was to Cake. And what about Cake? It just rose to its highest level in 4 weeks. And actually was moved away from its recent lows. So cryptocurrency market is actually quite interesting. It now shows some growing, some growth, but we gotta be attentive, and especially, as I said before, attentive to the high volatility this week. So I don't want to pressure you today with all the news about the cryptocurrencies because it's all new here on this channel. But the last thing that I would mention here, it's a bit funny, was for me. It's all about the tweets by Robert Kiyosaki, that actually well-known author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And it might be well-known in the Western society mostly, but anyway. And he had, the series of tweets where he was discussing the Russian-Ukrainian conflict, the end of the US dollar, again and again. And his quote actually was, like his tweet, I'm just quoting it. It was actually exactly like Russian and Ukrainian war giving rise to the crypto is a safer haven than the government fake fiat money. So it may be predict, some raise of the cryptocurrencies, some stability, or some just, some growth that can be on our part. So I'm really, really into it. And I'm really looking forward of what I can give you guys, what I can present you in these markets, cryptocurrencies, forex trading, and some binary options trading too. The main news today was not only my haircut, and I hope you noticed that, write me some comments, but also that I'm up to not only binary options, but in forex trading in cryptocurrency markets. And I know it's a bit unpredictable, but as I told you before, this is only, my humble opinion on what is going on. The market are too unstable, too unpredictable. So I just want to give you some more strategies to be profitable. And I prefer in this case forex trading, for example, just because it was also one of my main interests from one side, from another side. The prices are formed there on the basis of agreement of the participants. This is one bonus. And the second, that it's also depend on supply and demand of the particular currencies. And this is more predictable, more logic, if I can say so, and we can stay on that. The changes are gonna be slow. Don't be afraid that you're gonna lose all binary options, info and stuff. I'm gonna add in my Telegram channel some additional signals on forex trading combined with binary options trading, and we will see how it goes, how the markets will behave, if I may say so, how the world is gonna go next. So you can find still all the links in my bio and below this video, and I hope it was maybe fun, maybe informative, but I hope it was a good video for you guys, and just let's get it through together. And I hope if you can give me some feedback or maybe some info that you want to see here, or some results that you have with me before, I'm gonna be really glad. So stay tuned, we're gonna get for more.